Now today we are going to solve question number 1 to question number 35 from the chapter periodic classification. For answer for the question number 1 is A, that is configuration NS 1 to 2, N minus 1D 1 to 10. Now for question number 2, it is answer is B. The electronic configuration of BR35 has 4p5, but if we removed here 2 electrons, we will get 4p3, which is similar to configuration of AS. Answer is B. Now question number 3 has the answer C, that is element or configuration belongs to 5th B group. Now for question number 4, answer is C, 1.71, 1.40 and 1.36. For question number 5, the answer is B, Na plus, Ni, Be, Li plus, the having less radius. Now question number 6, answer is D. Here these three species are not isoelectronic, N3 minus, S2 minus and Cl minus. Let's move towards question number 7. Here the answer is C, because fluorine has 5 electrons in 2p subshell. All the 5 electrons can be removed one by one. Now question number 8, the answer is C, N gives N minus, because N is more stable than N minus, so it will require more energy to enter 1 electron in nitrogen. Now question number 9, the answer is A. The order is F is less than Cl, which is more than Br and which is more than I. Now question number 10, so here we can explain. The given is bond length of XS and bond length of CC. Let them as M and N respectively. M is 1 angstrom while N is 1.54 angstrom. We know radius of XX bond. We can calculate radius M upon 2, that will be 0.5 angstrom if we put 1 here, and radius of CC will be N by 2, that is Rn, which will be equal to, if we put 1.54 by 2, it will be 0.77 angstrom. So the bond length of CX will be equal to radius of M, that is bond length, radius of XX bond, that is Rm, radius of CC bond, that is Rn, minus 0.09 upon electronegativity of X minus electronegativity of C. Therefore, keeping the value 0.5 plus 0.77 minus 0.09 divided by 3 minus 2, the answer will be 1.18 angstrom, and it will be B, and the answer will be B. Now for question number 11, here answer is D. The N is greater than C, which is greater than E, which is greater than Si. Question number 12, the answer is D. Here all the above are correct. For question number 13, answer is C. Here the screening effect of S orbital is greater than P, D and F electrons. For question number 14, answer is A, noble gas. For question number 15, answer is D, C, there is CS, cesium, Ba and beryllium, barium and potassium is electropositive elements. For question number 16, answer is A, E1 is less than E2 and which is less than E3. E3 is greater. For question number 17, answer is A, 0.37 angstrom and 0.8 angstrom. For question number 18, answer is A plus B minus, because we have the configuration. A has 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, and B has 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So one electron can be accepted by B from A to fulfill its orbital or its subshell, and here 2p6 is already fulfilled. So A plus is more stable and B minus is more stable. So answer is A. Here for question number 19, the answer is D. I minus is greater than I, which is means radius of I minus will be greater than radius of I, which will be greater than radius of I plus. Now for question number 20, answer is B. The metallic character decreases from left to right across a period and increase on descending a group. Now for question number 21, answer is B. Low dissociation energy of FF bond. For question number 22, answer is A. Cl minus having is less than S2 minus is less than P3 minus. Now question number 23, the answer is S comma P, that is B. For question number 24, the answer is B, plus 526 kilocalorie. This amount of energy will be consumed while during the ionization of Mg2 plus. Now question number 25, answer is C. Ionization potential decreases with increase in the size from top to bottom. For question number 26, answer is C. N minus 3 Mg2 plus. For question number 27, answer is D. O plus 2. The electron addition would be easier in dipositive oxygen. For question number 28, answer is C. That is third carbon. It has 2 double bonds. For question number 29, O minus plus electron gives O2 minus. For question number 30, answer is P block. For question number 31, answer is A. That is scandium and copper. You can write their configuration. It is outer configuration is 3d2 4s1 and of copper is 3d10 4s1. So last orbit contains same number of electrons. Now question number 32, the answer is B. Proton, which is similar in Cl and Cl minus, but the number of electrons will be different, but protons are the same. Now for question number 33, answer is ZnOH twice. It is the amphoteric in nature. For question number 34, answer is D. Al2O3. This order is correct, D. Now for question number 35, answer is A. O minus ion will tend to resist the addition of another electron. In this way, we have seen the chapter periodic classification. This is a theoretical chapter, so no that much need to explain.